how to enable or disable Google Chrome PDF viewer. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how you can enable or disable the PDF viewer in Google Chrome. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Chrome and then go to the three dots on the top right and then go to settings by scrolling down. And now go to privacy and security. Scroll down and then tap on site settings. Now scroll down again and you will see additional content settings. Tap on it. Scroll down and there you'll see PDF documents. Tap on it. And now you can just change it to download PDFs. Or if you don't like it, you can just go back to open PDFs in Chrome. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.